Hello friends, welcome to Jyotishi.com. Today we'll talk about the Brihadeshwara temple, also called Rajarajeshwaram temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, located in south bank of Kaveri river in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. It is one of the largest South Indian temples built by Tamil king Rajaraja Chola. This temple is a part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site known as the Great Living Chola Temples. The main temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. There are smaller shrines which are dedicated to his consort Parvati, his sons Subramanian Ganesha, Nandi, Varahi, Karvur Deva, the guru of Rajaraja Chola, Chandeshwara and Nataraja. The main lingam is 13 feet tall. The temple stands amidst the fortified walls that were probably added in the 16th century. The Vimanam temple tower is 216 feet high and is the tallest in the world. There is a big statue of Nandi carved out of a single rock measuring about 16 feet long and 13 feet high at the entrance. The wall paintings from the Nayaka period on the rear walls delight the eye of pilgrims. The temple, made of granite and brick, is the greatest work of Dravidian style in its grand scale and high degree of perfection. The Brihadeshwara temple organizes the annual dance festivals in February around the Mahashivaratri. Major classical Indian dance form artists as well as regional teams perform at this Brihad Natyanjali festival over 10 days. The Tanjavur temple was a major charity institution in its history. It provides free meal for pilgrims, devotees on a daily basis. On the days of Hindu festivals, these meals were elaborate and when Brahmins are particularly invited and fed. On 26 September 2010, Big Temple's 5th day of Millennium celebrations as recognition of Big Temple's contribution to the country's cultural, architectural history, a special 5 rupee postage stamp featuring the 216 feet tall giant Rajagopuram was released by India Post. The Reserve Bank of India commemorated the event by releasing a 5 rupee coin with the model of temple embossed on it. The temple is classified as Great Living as the temples are active in cultural, pilgrimage and worship practices in modern times. Hope you enjoyed the Brihadeshwara temple journey. Stay tuned for more such temple histories from Jyotishi.com.